I was just about to come in here and tell you what happened, but then it's recorded, so.
You can still call, right? Are you on the phone?
Oh no, I'm gonna call you. I'm gonna call you right now.
All right, Mr. Gray and Mr. Mayweather. So you mark you present. Maybe giving everybody else 4 more minutes. No, 3 more minutes. It's 10:12. about to get started. Trying to save attendance. Eli just arrived. Courtney already? I think I got Courtney's name. Okay, where are we at? That was yesterday's. Y'all killing me with all these messages. A lot of people just like to chit chat. All right, circumvent. All right, so now I can switch screens, right? I think that's how that works. We're gonna do our norms real quick. Uh-oh, that's not what I wanted you to do. Stop and stop, and there we go. Why isn't it listening? Shush. It's not gonna let me pause it. I can mute you though. All right. Like that commercial was like, I'm still gonna play even if you silence me. I don't care. Here we go. So we're gonna go through our norms. Yeah. All right. First on the list is, of course, Courtney. Can you read the 5 basic norms? I need the paper.
No one has the right to hurt another person. Education and classroom are sacred. We will never behave in a way that will discredit ourselves, our school, or our family. And the Southern Academy of Southwest student always acts with integrity. We take pride in the Southern Academy of Southwest.
Awesome. Thank you, sir. Now, the academic norms. Eli, can you read all 5 of those, sir? You there, Mr. Curtis?
Yeah, which one you want me to read?
The academic norms, sir. All 5 of them.
We respect the opinions of others. We respect the culture of the classroom. We are participate. We have high expectations of our peers, ourselves, and our teachers. We are here to focus on preparing ourselves on post and secondary levels.
Okay, same spiel as yesterday, and today is the moment of truth. So I'm gonna, mention that GGI is still occurring today. You guys might want to talk to staff, or if you see one of your teachers you haven't had a chance to talk to, find out where you stand. Today at noon, I'll be finalizing grades. So you've had all night until now, right? So noon, I'll be finalizing most of the grades. Other teachers might give you until 3. I'm not sure. But they definitely probably will not go beyond 4 p.m. Okay, because we had kids' lives, all that stuff too, and also we had to get ready for quarter 3. So a lot of them are not going to be sympathetic to. Can I get more time? No, you can't. You had all the time in the world, and hey. So go to GGI, try to get a few extra credit points. I'll be there too, and they still have this contest going for the PlayStation 5. Okay, so you can still take advantage of that. You come to GGI to figure out how to take advantage of it. PlayStation 5, winning it, or the Walmart gift cards, which is some money you can use. I'm not gonna lie. So we'll come here to physics, and what we have here is objective, and it's pretty much the same objective as yesterday because we're finishing up the quarter, and this is the last project. I looked last night, and I saw a lot of people did not turn in chapter 5. So it's like, okay, it's double credit assignment. I swear, y'all, especially my seniors, you want to get out of here, but I'm seeing no work turned in. So I'm going to give you what you earned, right? It's not about what you want to have, it's what you earn. So you have until noon and this class period to finish that up. Let me come down the list. Gabriel, can you read the objective on the screen there?
Students will be able to utilize Chapter 5 of the Raspberry Pi Beginner's Guide to complete Project 1, Turtle Snowflake, and 2, Scary Point.
Thank you, sir. All right, so now there's a word of the day and term of the day, and I would like for Mr. Gray to read that. Can you see that in the box there? What is our classroom term and word of the day? What are they? I have no new paper. I have to get some more paper.
Students will be able to
No, not that grade. The word of the day and term of the day. I mean, yeah, classroom term of the day. You read that off.
The term of the day, event, word of the day, circum.
Vent. You had it. Circumvent. Okay, so circumvent and event. Those two terms you want to include in Project 5 at the very end. The definitions, that's an additional 25 points. I'm seeing some students are forgetting that you should do that. And I'm supposed to show you this 3 times. Now listen. Oh, Sanders just arrived. Let me mark him present. Where's his name? There it is. Okay, so like I said, and now I'll say it again because, maybe you slipped your mind. Today at noon, I'm closing my grade book. Okay, please don't send me messages talking about how can I'm gonna be like, well, check out your work that you didn't do. That's how you can make it up. Now I'm gonna show one student's progress so you all know where to go, right? You're adults. A lot of y'all say I'm grown. All right, I'm gonna treat you like you're grown. Get your work done. All right. Where we at? Go to this tab. Okay. So we have EDSB. You should be in EDSB. Your student portal looks like this for you all, right? Waiting for it to load. Now, I've already included the recording of yesterday in case you were confused about what to do about that chapter 5 assignment with projects 1 and 2. You should review that. All right. Because you can be like, how do I? And I'll be like, okay, go to your library. Where's your library at? Right here. The purpose of the recordings is not so that the teacher doesn't have to constantly reteach. And right now, the only thing I'm doing is putting in grades today, mainly, because I got to get ready for your quarter 3 assignments. Another big thing you want to look out for is in the future, this is pretty much the last time you will use this link to get to class because quarter 3 starts Monday. And you all be checking your emails for new links from all your teachers. So, don't come in on Monday trying to use this same link to get to class. It won't work. You will need to check your emails. Make sure you bookmark all of your tabs because we're starting a new quarter. All right. So just letting you all know that in advance so there's no problem. Like as y'all say, I don't want no smoke. All right. Now, this is the assignment from yesterday. I don't want to go over and belabor because I want to leave you time to work on it. But if you scroll up here, let me come over and move this out my way. Oh, that's cool. They can't even see that part. These are the messages from friends and family. So if I come to, for instance, if you can see what I'm doing, who do I want to use as an example? I use Miss Childs. You're Kylie. So if you come to my work, this is what you're going to ask me anyway. If you come to my work, I'll give you a graph. Everything down here is pretty much stuff that has a 0. If it's down here, these are pretty much overdue assignments, right? This is like in the negative realm. 50% is like all the assignments I gave you participation points for. So you see those in the middle? Down here is 0%. And way up here are some of the highest scores. You all have your own graphs. So I don't know what to do. Some students have said that. I called the parent and I sat them both down. So when your child tells you that, I'm sorry, they're not telling you the truth. You can get on Facebook and you can get on Instagram. You can figure this out and you can see what you're not doing. So no need to, play stupid or anything. So we got overdue, right? The first thing she needs to do is probably finish those 2 things. Now, I want to remind everybody, final exam is quiz 8. That's the one where you have to do the 30 questions. Or you had a question, Kylie?
No.
Okay. You get to do 30 questions or you write a 2-page report. That's just one or the other. If you did both, then one of those will go towards your midterm assignment score, which could boost your score too. Noon, everybody. This has to be done. Now, we come out of Kylie's. I want to talk about how students can, and all you do is class by class, you click on my work, right? I can go to any student and show this. You go to my work. I keep saying it the whole quarter. What do I got to do? I'm going to start telling students, no, you got to log into ESB and read. That's first and foremost. Okay. Please stop trying to cut corners on me. Now, where are we at? I want to come to, I did the library. I showed you all that. This is period 2. Cool. Cool. All right. So again, I got the video recording here. If you're doing labs, this is what I want to remind everybody, those people that want to still try to catch up. If you notice, I said here it's due February 3rd. That's yesterday. So I'm still letting you finish it, but it's up to you to finish it. And the link for code next, the curriculum for those labs is right there. This is the first thing you see today. I haven't really posted anything. I'm about to, in a couple minutes, repost the townhouse link, which is right after this, but I want to give you time to see what you're doing. Oh, Mr. Ocasio came to the last day of class. Welcome. Let me try to mark him present. Are you there, Angel? I haven't seen him in a long time. All right, so as I was explaining to everybody, Angel, today's the last day to do anything that you have not done. Grades will be finalized by noon in my class. Okay. All right, so I knew that was going to happen. It happens every year. Students come to the last classes. What can I do? What didn't you do? Lots. All right. I was talking about this. You have Google. This is the curriculum. This is the GitHub files for the labs you put on your kit. I suggest, this is the last thing I want to say before I started a timer and let you work. You finish, again, the final exam. I'm not hearing any excuses. I don't know what to do. I would admit, you have a book. And I know 90% of my students can read. Okay, so open the book up, go to the pages that are assigned for it, answer those questions correctly. And if you want to, you can do, you don't want to do that, which I highly recommend. You could alternatively do the 2-page report on the video that's included in quiz 8. So you got 2 routes. Let me start this timer for you. I'll be sitting here the whole time because you got a question or so, but if I were you, I'd really be trying to get all this stuff done. I am putting zeros in and some scores are being affected because we're finishing up our scores. Okay, we got, let's give them tops 15 minutes. And I'm going to check back to see if anybody turned in anything. After the clock's expired, we're going to do our objective again. So there's another opportunity for at least 40 points if somebody reads it. But that's after the clock is expired. And I'll let you know when. Oh, Leah. Okay, let me go back and do attendance again. Here come everybody. The Johnny come latelys. Where was you at, Leah? What happened to you? Okay, Mims.
Oversleeping.
Oh, Lord. All right. So I'm giving everybody time to work on anything they haven't worked on, Leah. So go in to SB, click on my mouse.
Quiz 8.
Okay, so you already know what I'm talking about. Because quiz 8 is a final exam. And when I put zeros in for that, because y'all said I'm not doing it or whatever, it made the letter grade go down by 2. So if you had a B, it jumped down to a D. That's the final exam y'all playing. Okay, so, get it done. You can use your book. You should use your book. And if you don't want to do that, you can always write the 2-page report. 2 pages. Like, I think Autumn tried to slide me 2 paragraphs. I was like, sweetheart, that's about 30 points, not 100. So that's what I'll put in for your final exam, 30%. And it's going to hurt. So look, don't try to finesse me. I'm reading through this and some of the students are getting creative. But when we have a parent-teacher conference with whomever your guardian is, I'm going to let them know exactly what you did. I'm not a video game character. Please stop playing with me. I'm a parent. Please do your assignments. A lot of y'all cutting corners. The last quiz assignment, there was some really bad answers. Not the quiz, but the collaborative group work. I read through a lot of them, and it was like only 4 or 5 students got 100%, which helped a lot of students out because it was a group activity, right? But this final exam, if you pull that same stuff, you regurgitate answers and you didn't really read that book, you're going to get even lower score because you're still being lazy, in my opinion. So do it correctly, please. So let me set some time. "5 years, never fails. The last day of class, they come in. I'm trying to catch up. I'm trying to pass. Should have thought about that at the beginning. Where's this thing at? It's not. Okay. I thought it was frozen for a second. I was worried. I'm like, it's not doing it. Okay, here we go. And I'm going to be quiet.
Ms. Tyler, is we using chapter 4 through 7 or just 4 and 7? Mr. Tyler.
Only 4 and 7, Courtney. Okay. Does that answer your question, Courtney? You there?
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, I wasn't sure. All right. All right. Black Information Network. Listening to some great information about what's going on in our world today. All right, so let's go down the list and do a pulse and see if everybody's here or they went to go make some ramen noodles or a sandwich or something. Let's see who's still with us. I was doing something. Okay, you weren't doing what I was asking you to do.
What you say, Mr. Tyler?
Oh, that's Miss Childs. Okay, you checked in. I'm going down the list. Aaliyah, are you there? Or is your brother there?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes he sneaks into the cameras. That's what I was asking. Well, let's see here. Little homie, be turning the camera on and watching us, laughing. Gray. We'll do that with the Barry White voice. He's gone, huh? Okay. Eli, what about you? You here? Oh, there go Gray. I heard something.
I'm here.
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay, cool. All right, guys. All right, just checking in. Mr. Dixon, Mr. Sanders, you guys there?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Some of these questions can be found in other chapters.
Some of the questions you found in other chapters?
Yeah.
Yes, Mr. Bulldog, you're right, but I only want you to focus on those chapters. Angel, are you present? I see you messing with the camera.
Yo.
Okay, you got your kit? He just said, yo.
Yeah.
I got to follow up. Okay. I'm going to have to talk to Sprague or somebody and get you some help because you got to finish that stuff up. Your quiz is out of the book. So you can do that, and you got to type it up. I guess I got everybody. Gabriel. So it's 10:45. No, I didn't get Sanders. Are you present or are you somewhere else? Avion Sanders. It's another person with a deep voice. All right. And Sanders is stepped away. Okay, so I'll circle back to him. All right, so it's 10:45. I wanted to go over the objective one more time, right? You pull that up and switch screens. It's another 20 points for the objective, 20 points for the word of the day and term of the day. That makes 40 points. Let me share this tab. It always does that. Okay. And let's see here. Go down the list. Miss Childs, you read the objective on the screen. Kylie, there?
I'm sorry.
Can you read the objective on the screen?
Students be able to. Students will be able to utilize Chapter 5 of the Raspberry Pi Beginner's Guide to complete Project 1, Turtle Snowflake, and 2, Scary Point.
Thank you. Mr. Ocasio, can you read the word of the day and the term of the day in there? Angel, are you present? He disappeared on me. All right. Let me come to Aaliyah. Are you present? She stepped away. Okay. Y'all disappearing on me, huh? Let's see here. Gabriel, can you read the word of the day and term of the day?
My bad, Mr. Tyler.
Oh, there you go.
Circumvent. Did you hear me?
I didn't hear you say this. What now?
Event and circumvent.
There you go.
Right?
There you go. Gotcha. Okay. You got circumvent. That's how you say that word. Again, you want to put in chapter 5 at the very bottom of your document, somewhere in there, what the definitions. You can type it in the code if you're, very exceptional, you can make the screen show the definition of the word of the day and term of the day. All right, so that's if you're savvy enough. But don't forget to put it in there when you submit that Python file for projects 1 and 2, right? That's what we're working on, and that's what was stated in the objective already. All right, so it is 10:48. Give you guys about 10 more minutes, and I'm gonna be asking you, what are you turning in right now? Because what I don't want to do is wait to the end of class, and then you try to message me on SB. I'm in GGI in Townhouse. I don't see the message. Noon hits, right? Because 12 o'clock's around the corner. That's when I close the grade book. Noon hits, and then I didn't see the message. I'm not going to go back and put it in there. You missed your deadline. Okay, so use this time now between now and noon to finish up what you can. All right.
Well, Mrs. Tyler, once we submit it, you want us to message you on SB and let you know that we submitted it.
No, well, okay, so you can, but if it has to be before noon, is what I'm trying to tell you.
That's what I'm saying. Because now I'm just doing a 2-page essay. I did the questions already.
Okay. All right. Well, yeah. But in 10 minutes, I'm gonna be asking. So Miss Childs, in 10 minutes, I'm gonna be like letting you go around 11:10. No, not 11:10, 11:05. I want to say. But
Okay.
with that said, that's all I'm gonna be asking you guys in 10 minutes. What are you turning in? What are you? Because once we get off of here, I'm gonna be getting ready for GGI, and you should be too. 'Cause the next thing I'm gonna tell you after we do that check-in is go to GGI. We're gonna cover the objective again for some more points. I'm gonna tell you go to GGI, and I'm gonna be in GGI, and I'm gonna be trying to put in grades. And I start working. I don't see the mess box. Like I don't like talking to people a lot, so I'm working.
So you want us to all just finish all assignments now?
Finish what you can now. The biggest assignment is, like I said, the final exam and the projects we talked about yesterday.
Yeah, that's
Right?
what I'm saying. I'm still doing the essay right now. So I just
Oh,
really
you trying to get double the credit? You doing the questions and the essay, or?
Yeah, that's what you told me to do yesterday.
All right, hurry up. Okay, so 10 more minutes. That'll put us at 11 o'clock. You're gonna do the objective, share out who has what, and then when you're ready for GGI. Okay. Let me mark down the people that did say they were here for points. And then other people.
I'm here.
Oh, what happened to you?
Nah, I had muted you because that music was too loud.
Music's too loud, but y'all music be loud too.
Oh, my bad.
It's all good. It's all good. I listen to jazz. You listen to turn up music. We all good, fam. Two different people. But I'll try to turn down a little bit. I like to keep things calm. Y'all like listen to music, make y'all cut up. Let's see here. Somebody I can't concentrate. Yeah, I know why. All right. You bring it down a notch. There you go. Yeah, and then I'm gonna mute. Okay, let's see here. Objective, right? Let's stop this thing from playing. There we go. Now, if I switch screens, is it going to start playing on me again? That's what I'm worried about. It didn't do it. Okay. I think I figured it out. All right. So let me see here. The first thing is first. Objective. I would like to see who's here. Sanders, can you read the objective there? Are you present, or did you mute me again?
Today's objective: utilize chapter 5 of the Raspberry Pi Beginner's Guide to complete Project 1 Turtle Snowflake and 2 Scary Point.
Thank you, sir. All right, awesome. Let's see, Miss Childs, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here, Mr. Tyler.
There you go. Can you read the white box which says classroom all the way down?
You talking about class term of the day?
Mm-hmm.
Class term of the day is event. Word of the day is circumvent.
There you go. All right. Okay, so it is 11:02. I want everybody to start getting ready for GGI. Does everybody know what the GGI link is? No? Yes, maybe so. That's the only thing that's probably not going to change. If you don't, let me grab that for you. It's in SB already, by the way. So go to GGI. There's a few points for participating in that, too. That could help you. Turn everything in by 12, everybody, today. Please. I don't want to give out Fs or anything like that, but please turn it all in. Let me grab the GGI link in case you all don't have it. Go and participate in GGI. There is an opportunity for 15 points if somebody can read what's going to be put in the chat in a moment. All right, so raise your hand if you want to read it. I'm going to grab a link. Who's that? Sanders, go right ahead, sir.
Townhouse and GGI is mandatory for all students. Life skills class. Also, there are tons of awesome opportunities that students can take advantage of. Log in today and gain some extra credit for participating. See you there. Zan.
Thank you, sir. All right, so that's the link right there to GGI. It's also, if I switch screens, you can see always in EDSB. Check your emails because, like I said, all of the classes will not be accessible after pretty much Friday. You will have new links. All your teachers are going to be hitting you with emails. So, make sure you know how to get in your email address and bookmark all your classes like you did this so you can get in the class for next quarter. If I don't see you all later on today in other classes, please have a great day or evening. Try to, and enjoy your weekend. Stay safe out there. See you all in GGI in a moment. Class is dismissed. Kylie, Jarrell, what happened? Oh, okay. Courtney is
I'm
here.
right here.
Oh, well, I'm telling you.
I'm trying to do some more of these questions.
Okay. Just don't take too much time. You got GGI in a moment, dude. Okay, Gray left.
GGI started at 11:15.
I know, Courtney. This class is over in 6 minutes, man. It's okay. You're always aggressive, fam. And I think they need you over there to, I don't know who's doing which Bulldog is doing it, but yeah. Whoever leads it, I guess. That's why I was saying that to you. Okay, now I gotta write down. I put a lot of points in the system real quick. A lot of y'all participated today. Okay. Who is that's UPS out there. All right, so I'll be here for about 5 more minutes, Courtney, if you have questions. Okay, Courtney, I close the room down, man. I'll see you at GGI, all right? Oh, he left. Okay. Let me see who's in here with me. Nobody? All right. Shut the room down.